Hello, hello, hello everybody. Muraho mwese. Good morning, good morning. Mwaramutse. We are on Monday. Turi kuwa mbere. Week is beginning. Week is beginning. Icyumweru kiratangiye. We are on Monday. We are on Monday. Turi kuwa mbere. We are on Monday. Week is beginning. Week is beginning. Icyumweru kiratangiye. In Rwanda, we are in the morning. In Rwanda, we are in the morning. We are in the morning. Here in Rwanda, we are in the morning. Hano mu Rwanda, turi mu gitondo. Here in Rwanda, hano mu Rwanda. Here. Here. Okay. In Rwanda, we are in the morning. We are on Monday. Turi kuwa mbere. Weekend is beginning. Weekend is beginning. Here in Rwanda, hano mu Rwanda, we are on Monday. 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 Hano mu Rwanda, turi kuwa mbere. Week is beginning. Week, icyumweru. Week, icyumweru. Monday, kuwa mbere. Monday, kuwa mbere. Week, icyumweru. Weekend, weekend. Impera z'icyumweru. Weekend. Impera z'icyumweru. Weekend. Impera z'icyumweru. Here in Rwanda, we are on Monday. Week is beginning. We are on Monday. Week is beginning. Beginning. Okay. Beginning, ugutangira. To begin. Verb inshinga. Verb inshinga. Verb to begin. Gutangira. Beginning, intangiriro. Beginning. Impamvu mbivuga mu nshuro ebyiri mbisubiramo ku buryo butandukanye, mba ngira ngo wumve ko uko uzabivuga abantu bazabyumva ku buryo butandukanye kandi bose bumve ikintu wavuze. Abanyamerika ni bakoresha beginning, ukumva Aimable wo muri Afurika arakoresha beginning. Byose urabyumva. Niyo mpamvu nkubwira ngo tobora uvuge, ukuri bubivuge bizagufasha kubyumva. We spoke more words. Twavuze amagambo menshi. More words. Twavuze amagambo menshi. Words, amagambo. Word, ijambo. Word, ijambo. Here in Rwanda, hano mu Rwanda, we are on Monday. Turi kuwa mbere. Monday, kuwa mbere. We are. Turi kuwa mbere. Okay, we are. Turi. I am. You are. I am. You are. He is. She is. It is. We are. You are. They are. I am. You are. He is. She is. It is. We are. You are. They are. Okay. Ndi. I am. Ndi. You are. Uri. He is. Ni. Ari. Ni. I am. Ndi. You are. be. Okay. To be, verb to be. Kuba. Okay. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is. We are, you are, they are. We are, turi, we are. You are, muri, they are, bari. Okay, bari. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, you are, they are. Okay, verb to be. Okay. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, you are, we are, you are, they are. Okay. Verb to be. Beginning, byose uzabikoreshe gutyo, uzabwira azakumva. Week is beginning. Icyumweru cyatangiye. Week beginning week, intangiriro z'icyumweru. Beginning week, intangiriro y'icyumweru. Beginning week, intangiriro z'icyumweru. Uko dusubiramo amagambo kenshi ni ukugufasha kugira ngo uyabike mu mutwe, uko uzagenda dukurikirana. Hari ibyo tuzavuga tukamenya n'aho bikoreshwa. Icyo nshaka ni ukugira ngo tubanze tumenye amagambo yo kuvuga. Okay, as I told you, you have to speak more. Ufite kuvuga byinshi. Harimo abantu tuzi ibintu byinshi ariko tutabisohora. Bisohore ubivuge, nibwo uzakosora icyo utazi kigomba gukosoka. I love you. Ndabakunda. I love you. I love you. I love you. Okay. I am. I am. Okay. Twabonye kenshi se. You are. You are. You are. You are. You are. Okay. You are. You are. Okay. Uko tuzagenda tubivuga hazaza ibindi byinshi. Verb to speak, kuvuga. To speak, kuvuga. To speak, kuvuga. Verb to speak, kuvuga. Okay. Today we are on Monday. Week is beginning. Okay. Let's say we have those. Reka dufate ibi ngibi. We have those. Let's have those. Okay. Let us. Reka dufate ibi ngibi. Have a nice week. Have a nice week. Mugire icyumweru cyiza. Have a nice week. Mugire icyumweru cyiza. Okay. See you again. Tuzasubira. See you again. Tuzasubira. See you again.